Welcome friends! In this video, you will be introduced to a beautifully designed dynamic 12-month calendar template that's perfect for staying organized and planning with ease. Let me walk you through how it works and how it can simplify your planning experience. Step 1. Start with the Instructions tab. From there, you'll head over to the Dynamic Calendar, a key feature that automatically updates the dates for each year. You will immediately notice how user-friendly it is. Each month is dynamically highlighted, and when you want to dive deeper, you can visit the dedicated monthly tabs. These tabs aren't just functional, they're also visually stunning, filled with beautiful pictures to brighten up your planning experience. Each month section gives you a clear view of all the dates, and there's even a dedicated notes area to jot down the reminders, to-dos, or anything else you need to remember. It's all-in-one system designed to help you stay organized effortlessly. Whether you're planning a trip, managing daily tasks, or keeping track of important events, this template is here to simplify it all. I hope you'll find it incredibly helpful, not only for organizing your skill, but for bringing that touch of inspiration to your daily life. As you can see, the current year is listed here. So just to demonstrate this, I'm going to change this to some other year, and the calendar will automatically refresh. So just come to this tab and just come back again. The calendar automatically refreshes to a new year, 2026. Similarly, if I want to change it further, and even the monthly calendar also changes. If this sounds like a perfect tool for you, it's easy to get your hands on it. Just click the link in the description box below and please subscribe to my channel to learn on how to build this template. I'm excited for you to try this calendar out and see just how much it can transform your planning process. Thank you.